Hey, would you drop it? Would you drop it on the floor? Would you drop it on the floor for a nigga? Would you drop it on the floor? Would you drop it on the floor for a nigga? I know you do it for the dough. I know you rather take it home. I know you do it for them folks. I know you drop it twerking for a nigga. I know you do it for the dough. I know you rather take it home.
Reporting live, Ngakini support MJ holding it down city to city, titty to titty. And I'm balls deep in this motherfucking bitch. Brought to you by Deeply Rooted. The number one podcast, Ngakini, holding it down. I'm with some player partners of mine from Intuzuma. Hardest working motherfuckers in the game, holding it down, Fizz. I guess Nina, no L2 and Bazi Intuzuma holding it down right now.
Yeah.
Fucking it up, properly and thoroughly, dog.
Yeah.
Introduce yourselves, let them know what's going on.
Yeah, it's your boy Nellow Wood, aka Baby Daddy. I'm here now.
You know?
Yeah,
Man,
nigga.
it's Trane Eco. You know me? Straight up, man.
I love my nigga Nellow Wood intro. Your baby daddy, bitch. Yeah, it's me, your baby daddy, yeah.
Baby Daddy in the building.
I'm your nigga.
Yeah, so yeah, it is.
I'm that motherfucker that she be calling late at night.
That makes me babumnani, eh? Babumnani up in this. You know?
Yeah, which makes me a stepfather.
Yeah.
First try album The Stepfathers.
The stepfathers. Hey.
Oh, Malum.
There's
Malum
this
Bay,
new thing.
Malum
Yeah,
Bay,
I'm
EP.
sure, man. So, babumnani asimba. Because lately, I got the scar. You know me, keeping it OG. Still cripping.
I get it.
Yeah, it's representing too much into Zuma now.
Hey, so let the people know what's going on. Let the people know. More of what's it, what's going on. What do y'all niggas do? I know y'all niggas.
Yeah.
Let the people know what y'all niggas going on.
Yeah, first off, ngivethu abantu mhlambe basazi ngokuhlukana ukuthi so there's Trane Eco, there's Nellow Wood.
Yeah.
So sabandawonye. You see?
We're family.
Yeah, blood.
Yes.
Yeah, blood.
We're actually Zulu brothers.
Exactly. Oma kebo sithule skandabo.
Oh,
So into enza lawo manje, like we've been working apart, ne? So we just decided because even isho endlini isuke endlini ayodwa, but we've never worked ukuthi sisebenze like kanje. Yabo umunye udume ngokwakhe nomunye udume ngokwakhe. But we just thought ukuthi yazini, let's just take it and put it in the family now.
One thing.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm a mafia straight, man.
Straight.
I'm a mafia saying too.
You can tell by the face, scar face, no lie.
But I'm not gonna lie, your boy Nellow Wood is one hustling motherfucker, bro. I panta talk
Respect.
I fuck with you ever since he sexy. And that's been winning. Sexy.
The bop at that anytime.
Even battle him. Colors in tune, I think.
Yeah, colors and shoes.
What's going on? What's up with that shit?
Like we working with a lot of bros from different countries, if you get what I mean. Cause the last time, ngizing shaya leya Vito Leana, my manager was States. Yeah, based we like California, even though epinde ehlale ngalana. So ever since ulo so washada, so wangitshela yo bro, I gotta focus on some other things now. But yo, we still boys because vele it was friendship before ilokuzana Ispan yabo. So right now ngahlala ngenzi lutho until we decided ukuthi yo milisbuye. So we back like we never left.
Shit, y'all just dropped in best like an artisan. Now it's sitting upon.
Yeah, lapana we were called for ilokuzana event. Even though singafanga ilokuzana kwi lineup, but we had to pull up because
dog, performances count, dog.
Yeah,
man,
exactly.
You record that shit and post that
yeah, because Vutsumuti Apea budget was good, so we had to go there. Not because of budgets, yabo. Not because Futsi Besing Kogi lineup, but we had to go there because we're doing this for the love of it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And we got a new single out.
Yeah, and we got a new single out.
Yes.
Yeah, Ikamalayo, Ilokuzana. Now you're born. Yeah. And this time it's not about Nellow Wood as in such. It's about Nellow Wood and Trane Eco, yabo.
Yes.
So I'm sure we'll see. Even Trane got
Is
his
that single available now?
Nah. It's dealing high, but we just wanted to come here first.
Yeah.
Yeah. so that we can actually talk about it.
Yeah, when you plan on releasing it?
Mase sibebone le video.
First.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mase sibebone le video.
Oh shit!
If
I'm
this video
just part of the
comes,
marketing schedules. Yeah, shopping, mazopasha.
Yeah. Mase sibebone le
Ngakini,
video.
Tuzuma. Nigga, let it be known, nigga. We balls deep in this bitch. Tuzuma mashnumlaz.
Yeah.
Bazoinya.
Yeah.
Put it up in city. How are the visuals for started from the bottom doing Togata?
Yo, bro, it's going like this. So, yabo, every time I go there and go check, I get surprised. Yabo, because I can tell it's okay. Shoot it this time. Being as my numbers are fun. You see,
teamwork makes the dream work, nigga.
Exactly.
If your old manager can't do it no more, you need to finesse a new nigga who can handle that admin for you, dog. Because you are doing a low mood, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
You definitely need a nigga who's gonna help you with that and just organize how much shit. Because sometimes niggas get caught up in studio and they're not even handling the studio situation the right way.
Exactly.
If you're in studio, you need to make sure there's a camera nigga there posting that shit. That's content. Get the people anticipating some new music. Constantly let the people know that something's on the way. Right. And at the same time, when there is something, let there be different ways of getting money from that thing rather than just a gig.
Yeah, bro.
Like the visuals and the merchandise and hard copy CDs. Right now is the time for that shit because, people are there's a lot of like internet is the oxygen of our society, so everyone's always on their phone whether they're at work befroti Wi-Fi or working from home or befroti Wi-Fi. Bro, now's the time to get that content out there and monetize from it and communicating about the talk about the show. Yeah. And then when you get that buzz going and that following going, then it's time to monetize and get money from that shit. Yeah. It's all about monetizing from the following at whatever level.
It's even crazy, man, because we even get booked to see my parties. I don't even understand why, but I think
just to show up.
Just to show up.
Yeah, dog. Use that hype.
Sometimes
host your own party. The good thing about doing your own events is that you get to see what's that we're fucking with. Who's really fucking with us?
Yeah. Exactly.
And looking fine. Out of all these people online, these the real motherfuckers. Yeah. I spend the film and then do it again and see what more about. Always at any given moment, always monetize and see how much money you can get at any given moment from the people that are fucking with you.
Yeah, because
hosting parties is another way. I didn't know y'all niggas was about that life.
Finding
exactly.
And in September it's gonna be hectic. Cool.
I feel like things are opening up a bit. Country
we got 11 gigs already this month.
Yeah,
we got 11 gigs already. Angazi dog cause khona nalengoma le kuthiwa intombi zami zangifebela. Yo bro, yabo.
Akekho uslice kuleya ngoma.
No, slice why we clean version. In my version amaningi because khona utrainer kuyona futhi nayo. Like maning ama version khona eno slice khona eno train yabo mase uba khona ile futhi engikuyona kuphela so if ungazi ukuthi siperforma no slice so shale eno slice mengiperforma no train shale eno slice if be le eno train if ube ngekho ngishale engikuyona ngedwa futhi at the same time yabo
that's so good. Niggas need to be flexible on that stage, man. Perform whatever works, man. Again,
and the energy is nayo kuthina because we always doing this at home. You get we doing this.
Man, so from the last performance on niggas, are there any visuals from that shit? Are there any visuals from that?
Yeah, I can't ama visuals. I go YouTube because ngijwayele ukupost out 30 minutes ama snippets but
because everybody's trying to create a super fan.
Yeah.
A super fan is a person who basically start out by fucking with you on YouTube or they saw you at a gig like, okay, fine, Nellow Wood, alright, training guy, let me check what's going on on YouTube or whatever, and they fuck with whatever, and then they're gonna go to Instagram and fuck with you on Instagram, and then if they really fuck with you, then they're gonna go on Spotify as well or iTunes or Audiomack, and really, that's where they're really gonna go. Then they're gonna be like, fuck, now what can I buy?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this way this nigga's gonna be performing. Alright, let me get that ticket. Oh, this nigga has, merchandise. Oh, let me get that merch. Oh, this nigga has this. Let me fuck with that. everybody's trying to create that super fan.
Yeah.
The content ipocha lapho.
Exactly.
Yeah, bro.
Enye into
So,
yeah, enye into vethu ukuthi abantu banokubuza ukuthi why are you guys if ningenza music when we chill you got a different energy masenenza music you guys are so humble and
the
stuff
visuals
like that.
Like these podcasts and the behind the scenes studio settings because they can just see you fucking around.
Exactly.
And that's when they fuck with you, man.
Yeah, and masesifika kanjena talking about music but see you guys are actually more serious than mabi kusegula phana. This is work, guys.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah,
completely pissed.
Yeah, this is work. It's not child's play.
And niggas are putting in that work, bro.
Yeah, it's
love the energy first. Let's keep it going. Okay, I'm gonna now else we are pushing. Shout out. I feel like Elsu needs to have like some sort of PR or management company.
Exactly.
Elsu, he's doing his thing, bro.
Yeah,
he's doing his thing. First no P2 King now.
Dog, yeah, MTV everywhere.
And I chop it up with also like, no, nigga, handle all of those submissions in myself. I'm like, no, we need to fuck with this nigga.
Yeah, because
it's the behind the scenes of the industry, and that's what niggas lack.
And the crazy part, we could see, but people don't actually see that. I'm going to phone something 12, but yo, dog, ngeza lapha, request a fee or a fee to figure.
Real nigga shit.
Yeah, we always together, like always. Yeah, always. Even something like imagine Miss Will election every weekend. Yeah. Nah, that's Vala, bo. Yeah. I started food for days.
That's what true power, dog. If you want true power, you must go down and take it. True power is in the streets, dog. Those are the motherfuckers that's gonna buy your shit and fucking die for you.
And the crazy part says some of it like kwamashu. So we are figure like all the time. Akubanga ukuthi and second to Zuma. Yabo, mhlawumbe se-ibond isi-breakile.
Get the hood on lock, nigga.
Yeah, yabo.
Get the hood on lock.
Yabo nje ngiza lana, I was talking to Slice. Yabo, yo niggas, what's good? Yabo, shout out to Trane usebuyile, came in. I'm like, akaze ayindawo. It's because we were still busy with some things, yabo. But Trane can tell his own story.
This motherfucking game, nigga.
Yeah. I mean, I just feel like angifuni kube ngazuthi yo, whenever like no Nello Kona, so look it's like Nello uthini. Like people should listen to what Trane has to say because isn't it anything even though mina ngisuye sengizisho nje si discuss naye. Yabo.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah. Exactly. Maybe it's just because mina I talk a little bit too much, I don't know.
But that's what it takes. The amount of communication you give out is directly proportional to the amount of money coming in.
Exactly. Because even ngisho ingoma ngedwa, you might see me on stage.
But nigga need to communicate shit the right way.
Yeah, go to suka corner,
especially with the visuals.
Yeah, especially with the visuals.
It doesn't have to be that dope, dog.
Yeah, because
keep the people up to date.
Abantu bazi mina whenever sikubona it's either it's a video or something ubhuti wakho ukhona. Even Shatsua Gwingoma, Ageko Giona, but you can see he's there. That's true support, bros. You can never go anywhere.
Now we need to make money from this shit.
Exactly.
Ngakini.
Yeah, Ngakini. And
when is the project coming out, nigga?
Trane, you can tell them about the projects, dog.
Is there something going on?
Yeah, there is something going on.
No, don't worry.
I got paid.
We're actually gonna have like 30 tracks. Yeah.
I feel like we owe it to the
But
people.
we're working on those tracks even now because we want it to sound, we don't want to play. We want the sound to be, because these are like the last tracks that we're gonna take out. Sisala. Now also I keep at the next to be seed right there at the top.
Sure.
So these are the last tracks.
The best way to
last tracks.
And shout out to the sponsors.
Yeah.
We're not gonna name drop any.
Shout out to Amamafi.
Yeah, we're not gonna drop any.
So we do want to work with so many people. Please come with your arts. Let's do this. Let's work big time.
If you're gonna drop so many songs, the best way to do is to literally have, like, let's say 12 songs that you're specifically gonna drop every single week for a good 3 months.
We're gonna drop
that shit. With the numbers on Spotify, with the fans. Okay, not all of them are gonna get on radio. We push it, I keep on really pushing. People trying to get it on Wi-Fi and Joburg and whatever. But the consistency of that shit on the streets, people love that shit. Because it gets to a point where they start anticipating like, oh shit, keep a nigga this time, keep a nigga this time.
Snanechi funk sound. For the first time we did that, Ikamala 1,000 for a safe, but I'm broke. Got a lot of money, make a broke nigga choke.
But it's okay, I'll be chilling with my bros.
And your wifey, yeah,
I'll be chilling like a hoe.
Hey.
Yeah, hey, we actually got Steve.
Piano,
Snikomo.
Sorry?
Where did you work on this EP, this mixtape?
We've been working on the mixtape.
Oh, sure.
Which says Kamuge man, let's just tell people we're working on something.
Yeah, what kind of producers have you been working with?
Yeah, a lot of producers.
Yeah.
Got that omningi because he produces music, it's a yeah,
he's a producer.
like we omningi, like I'm a pizza maning. Abanye into enzalile basidayisele ama-beats sathenga nama-royalties akhona. So guys, ukuthi asikhulumanga nani, the shit that happened at studio, we were not happy about it. So i-beats kuyafana nokusakusayo because ama-agreement, you know what happened.
Get that contract on lock, nigga. Get that paperwork right, nigga. That's what the problem's all over. Niggas don't want to register at Samro. Niggas don't want to register at Sampro or Reso. Get their companies registered and shit. Exactly.
Abantu bafune imali upfront.
Niggas need to get your fucking paperwork on lock so you can monetize over these foundations and shit. Because they all want fucking like company registrations, or they all want to know if you're a full member at Samro, or they all want to know if, you know what I mean? Niggas don't even want to take shit that seriously, because that's where the check really helps in times like these.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So niggas need to smarten up first. Niggas need to.
Yeah.
But this is the same.
Another thing is, njoba kwi-pandemic kanjena producer abahlukumezile bafethu, in a way you would see ade belusa thina nathi, like we like you guys funa imali njoba nifuna, but don't expect ukuthi uzofika umhlumeze studio missing fee sendele shout out. Doesn't work like that. It's like ngiyakumotivate ukuthi uphinde uqhubeke futhi wenze lento aduyenza kumina. We all want the cheese.
And niggas need to be professional.
Exactly.
Full and complete.
Exactly.
And niggas don't wanna, you know, niggas special people will only take you as seriously as you take yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? In every situation, bro.
Shout out to Ukobi fethu ukhazi wethu cabanga, but uyazi ukuthi mabe uzibhuka ku-event yakhe. We're talking about blood. Kodwa uyasho bafethu ish nginemali encane fethu lana fethu ngino 2 blocks ngizonibekela some bottles like Hennessy, blah blah blah,
transport, everything.
And then you're gonna find people umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi fethu uphula lapha kwi-event fethu ngingizikhokhela. I'm like, I'm cool with that, but okay, it's fine ngeke ungikhokhele, but dog mele wazi ukuthi ngidinga i-transport. Yeah, because I'm meeting you halfway. Ngeke ungikhokhele, it's fine, awusangikhokhelanga ubakhokhelile abantu, but ngiyidinga i-transport, ngidinga i-beverage lapha.
That's what happened in Artisan, actually. Yeah, we were sitting at home.
Yeah.
Imagine sitting at home watching TV. Call, come in, guys.
It's not about the money, but it's all about respect, because Nazi ngeke
but
mina
JP, you
JP
need some monetize that situation, meaning take advantage of the visuals, dog. There's always a way of taking advantage.
We
did
way back, ne? Kodwa ngeke ngithi ngize kuwena sizoshaya ivideo ngifike like Jay na if it's kumele aphuze drink dog, yabo. Face doesn't have to be yabo.
Ziningi.
Uzokhathala lana uthi if it's nasengikhatheli.
Yabo ngikhathela bolo.
Yabo. Do you understand? Yabo. Usiyazi mabubize thina sodlala.
Yeah, cola, dog. People only take it as serious as you take yourself, bro. Yeah, dog. Niggas need to link up. I didn't know Trane Eco was making beats too, nigga. I'm working on Summertime Live Volume 3. Ngakini, the 3rd installment. Oh shit. That's a Porsche. Ngakini.
Ngiyakutshela, even thina ekhaya. Anqenothi, dog, do me a solid. Uyazi kumele uyikhokhe. I-solid yakho le ayishilo. Athi, first angithathela fethu amenzile i-juice lapha ezansi. Uyazi ukuthi i-solid le. Nami ngizobe ngifuna back. Cabanga ukuthi ngifuna back. Yes. Cabanga, dog. That's how it works, bro.
Okay.
Yabo, njoba usho dog ukuthi i-video
niggas need to understand that game, yeah.
Dog, yabo.
And it will take you far, bro.
Meet us halfway.
It will take you far, dog.
And siyazi ukuthi nama-loyal fans, kodwa mina angikwazi ama-loyal fans umuntu anakho, because ngeke ngibone mesa-upload ingoma, okay, within 2 weeks sesireache 60k downloads, kodwa akekho umuntu engikhuluma naye kanjena.
But now that's the problem though. That's what I'm saying. We say niggas need to start doing their own events too. Or at least start selling merch. So below 60,000, also give out from this 60,000, there's at least 1,000 people that are really fucking with me, and I'm getting their numbers now and sending them my contacts out, and I'm okay, fine, these people are buying merch, or these people are buying ticket sales. You know, you need to constantly release and check what's okay, fine, how can I make money from this? Releasing, I just performed, how can I make money from, like, you know what I mean? You need to constantly test your market that you're developing as you grow.
We're trying to be fashion design. But my face, merchandise, iphuma nini.
They want that.
The streets don't lie. When is the merch coming out, nigga?
And the crazy part, we don't want to sell shit to you guys. We just want to give it to you guys for free. You don't know who to give, because you guys are not communicating. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm
They are free.
Yeah. Executive manager, I disagree. So
a brand as in such, the logo and stuff like that. My stitches and stuff.
Have you thought about doing the hard copy CDs?
We've never thought about doing that.
Are you sure talking about?
Yeah.
Especially if you're gonna push it with the merch.
Yeah.
And then you can chill.
As good as it can sound, so yo, these guys actually good. This nigga not into esifuna usizizwe ngabanye abantu ukuthi yo, why don't you try this? So kuzama sikubone.
But that's where you get to test it out on stage though.
Yeah.
If you have 11 gigs, then you can at least test out, okay, we think this should be the single.
Yeah.
They might not be fucking with it. Okay, here's something else. Yeah. At the same time, understand, we say there are different songs that work in different situations.
Yeah.
There's a song that might work for Kakase FM in a club, but it won't work for Ukozi or Metro or anything else. And there's a song that might work for Ukozi and East Coast, and it'll be a breakout record, but it's not necessarily a trap song. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, there are so many things you need to constantly be aware of while you're hustling. And at the same time, there's no such thing as an unfair advantage, bro. Like, go ahead. If you're really going to have a 30 track mixtape, really think about pushing a good 12, 16 songs every single week for a good 4 months. If you niggas really got music like that, the people will love it, dog.
Cause even if she sound here to see busy stupid music, once you listen to it, you're gonna understand why do we call it stupid. Cause there's this kind of sound, it's busy on stupid rap. If you've listened to Ama rap song, you can actually tell Manji Masusuaz, no, this is actually stupid rap.
Like for example, the thing lento le ethi intom zam ziyangifebela. That's like
effects, but it's actually stupid because nami
ngiyafeba because intom zam is not one girl.
Exactly. It's not stupid as in it doesn't make sense.
But
it's actually stupid. Look, I met her in a taxi. The next minute we were come on, bruh. I
love that song so much.
Exactly. I got a chick at home, but
what's the clean version? What's the in Kamala?
Domzam Zang Suke.
Oh, showcase.
And abantu abaningi basazi ngopi yabo angu
beer mina.
I don't know that song.
Ileze ithanda my side. Anguphuzu beer mina.
Kodwa intombi Febela is the latest shit. Mase kuba khona isosha. Mase kuba isosha kuthini? Lithi vele ne drip ikhona. Futhi kushaya umoya. Sathi kuyashaya umoya. Ngishaya umoya. Ayisomaneke isosha. Vele ngithanda ukuphola. Ephaketheni ibhola. Ekhabetheni sauce, but let's just
pull up Ngakini.
Yeah. We still rap food. See, we got I'm a rap guys. We can actually give you anything that you guys need.
Yeah, nigga, that's dope, dog. Take advantage of that shit.
From singing to rap.
Take advantage of that motherfucking shit, dog. Nigga,
bro, it is what it is, dog.
Fully and completely, nigga. Go in. Bad.
They gotta know what's better. Trane is not of a talking guy. He's like Dreezy and Lil Wayne. You know, maybe about so okay, you're gonna hit a lot of Lil Wayne, but Drake, you like chill. Masumuza Egome, you're like, oh, okay, this guy actually talks too much. It is what it is. Maybe Ngakini isn't fun. And we don't fight. Let's happen. No, we don't fight.
Don't.
Siyasukela kuphela.
Kuba ngathi konke siyenza deep. So konke bayenza la.
I heard niggas getting money together.
Noma sixabana. Like enough sick.
Yes.
Yo, bro, what's up, minutes?
Let the people know like what's going on. Like, are y'all niggas like independents? Are y'all signed? Like, say what's going on? Who's them niggas giving you some phone calls at 12 at night saying the couple phone calls? Like, say it, my man. If you connect, my man, take that of a plug. If it's not any plug.
Ngitsebenithile i-contract inye i-company ngeke ngize ngisho idlale ngami. It was a big.
So now you're
label.
independent.
Yeah, it was a big label, but I was like, these
Fuck
niggas are holding me back.
Yes.
These niggas are holding me back.
Yeah,
I used to do like big moves, ngedwa. Bafika bona. Hayi soqala ngosibani bani.
It's like they're trapping you. It's like the cage. It's like they're putting you in a cage.
Yeah.
Like bayaz lo mjidu ighost but fethu simbambe, simsign, simfake cage.
So y'all niggas are independent now.
Yeah.
But if y'all niggas are independent and getting those kind of phone calls, I
Yeah.
See, couldn't the assist sisho semehliso lesithi
let the people know.
I was very excited in the morning. Like just the things that we did, we're like, yo, dog. I
Van get gown is shake off.
Account gang.
Yeah, account gang. I felt so.
Let the people know where they can fucking find you niggas, dog. Like online, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Like, what's going on, Fizz?
Googlishan, Nellow Wood, Googlishu Trane Eco foods.
Fizz.
Simple as that.
Sure.
Mabum Googlisha, cause yazi sibalekani. Ngizokutshela ngo-Instagram ngathi awuna. Give me okay. At NELLOW_wood. Wonke kuba kanjalo wonke yabo. Train.
Yeah.
Dog ngabe ngazi.
Man, this is Trane Eco.
Spell it out for me.
TRANEECO.
Asixabani njalo.
No?
It's the energy.
Fizz.
Yeah.
Reporting live, we need to point holding it down, city to city. Those are Wumash Namlaz. In conjunction, nigga.
Even if
that
cannot go in between, trust me. Even if that cannot go in between. You smash that, let me smash it too, bro.
Nigga.
You know that. Let me smash it too.
Hold it down. So like, are there any upcoming gigs niggas need to know about so they can see all niggas performing and doing shit?
As is in Nicole, mhla 18.
Yeah.
Mese kube yang spring first after mhla 18 sengikhohlwe i-date. Maning first no silokhu siba umuntu ofuna ukwazi bese asibheke ku Facebook Nellow Wood abheke no Trane Eco kodwa sicanga ukuthi sivula i-page elisha manje uNellow Wood and Trane Eco because siya rebrand, we're starting something new.
Yeah.
Nje ubona ngifana ama celebrity.
Ngakini.
Okay.
So yo, Google Nellow Wood, Google Trane Eco, reporting live on any support. Deeply rooted person to Zoom, mushroom lies. Shout out to everybody holding it down. Stay pure, nigga.
Dressing well, nigga.
Nigga, Republic, nigga. Mushroom to Zoom, Ngakini. Shout out to Deeply Rooted.
Ducks in the row, only one life and I'm living it though. Jay's 10, what's happening, bro? Recording, stay patient, you know I go. Still independent, finessing it though. Owner and artist, I had to do both. Open the market up, gotta get dope. Producing and product, a boy on the road.